Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very quick, fun little video that, to tell you the truth, terrified me. As the title suggests, it's a skunk, and it invaded our house. This all started when the garbage got knocked over last night and all the garbage was in the driveway. We live in a rural area in Canada and it's not uncommon for raccoons to knock over the garbage. So I dug out the trap out of the garage, baited it with some old dead hamburger, and sat and waited. Well, this morning we found out who the culprit was. It was a skunk. I took a quick look at Wikipedia and found that skunks are North and Southern American mammals in the family Mephidae, if I'm pronouncing that right. The important part is it says the animals are known for their ability to spray a liquid with a strong, unpleasant smell. No kidding. This is not my first dealings with a skunk in a cage, but hopefully it will be my last. In all my previous attempts, I've been able to get sprayed every single time, so I'm a little worried about this one. Once they spray, you can't smell it on yourself and everybody else notices it, and it takes a long time for that stink to go away. Apparently the right way to do it is to approach carefully and quietly with a tarp and cover the cage. Once the tarp is on the cage, the skunk relaxes, and then you can open the front of the cage and hopefully he will leave. So we're going to give that a shot. I've sped up the boring bits where I was just waiting for him to leave. So grab a coffee and enjoy the fun. Well, that worked way better than I expected. For a change, I didn't get sprayed. For a change, I won't stink like a skunk. In case anyone else runs into this, here's a solution to remove the smell. It seems to work pretty well for us. I didn't have time to record it, but the skunk ran away right over to our front door and stayed under a bush right there. Out came the hose and off went the skunk. I think this skunk has been caught before because he was pretty tame. He didn't seem to mind the water and he left peacefully. So now I guess it's time to lock up the garbage. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this amusing, maybe hit me with a thumbs up and even subscribe. Thank you.